Hello. I get this question all the time. Like, what is Reiki really? And it's difficult to describe because Reiki is energy healing that's channeled through attention and collective intention and invocation. See, our bodies are all made up of energy. And the chakras, which seem elusive to many, are actually tied to nerve plexuses. And energy healing works through prayer or invocation and connection to source energy. And then cooperative and collaborative intention through practitioner and recipient to start to move and shift energy that doesn't serve us and restore our pure, vital life, loving pranic energy. It's also known as loving healing touch, and it can be done with just the hands hovering or actual physical laying of the hands. And in order to understand it, one must experience it. And if you've ever been to one of my classes, then you've experienced at least some of it. And so I invite you, if you've ever been curious about energy healing and how to heal yourself and or help heal others, then please join us. This Wednesday, I'm doing a small group Reiki Level 2 training in my home studio. And it is one of the most delightful practices that you can experience. That's about it. I hope you all have a beautiful day. Sending you light, love, peace, and blessings.